If you're curious about Amazon Leo, you might want to take a closer look before diving in. This tool promises a lot, but is it really worth your time? Let's explore what it actually offers and what you should know. Amazon Leo is positioned as a tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline various tasks, especially for those involved in e-commerce. At its core, it offers features aimed at helping users manage their Amazon business more effectively, from inventory tracking to sales analytics. The user interface appears straightforward, which is a plus for beginners, but I found some aspects a bit lacking in depth. One thing that stands out is the integration with Amazon's marketplace, which could be beneficial for sellers wanting to optimize their listings. However, there's a noticeable absence of detailed user guidance or tutorials, which might leave new users feeling a bit lost. It seems like it's geared towards a specific audience, those already somewhat familiar with online selling, but it could be daunting for complete novices. Overall, while the concept makes sense, the execution feels a bit underdeveloped in certain areas. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Amazon Leo does offer a clean interface that makes navigation easier for users. Integration with Amazon's ecosystem is a definite advantage for sellers, and some users may appreciate the sales tracking features. On the flip side, there are a few concerns. The lack of comprehensive tutorials could frustrate new users, and the tool may feel limited in functionality for more advanced sellers. Additionally, transparency around pricing is somewhat vague, which raises trust issues for potential buyers. If you're not already somewhat savvy with e-commerce, this might not be the right fit for you. Overall, while it has potential, it might not suit everyone, especially those looking for a more robust platform. In conclusion, Amazon Leo could be worth considering if you're already familiar with Amazon selling and need a basic tool to help manage your business. However, if you're new or looking for advanced features, you might want to explore other options first. It feels like it has room for improvement, especially in transparency and support.